What's up, guys? How you doing? Hope everyone is doing awesome. Chilling out in the office. I have Silverback right there. Let me go over a few things. Just here in a couple days, we're going to be in Sturgis. So me and Glenn are actually riding out. Depending on the route we take, probably 2,000 miles there. I'm assuming probably 2,000 miles riding around Sturgis and 2,000 miles back home. So 6 to 7,000 mile trip, week and a half to 2 weeks that we're going to be going on in the next couple days. Got my bags up there. I'm actually going to be packing. I'm actually going to be packing probably later today to get everything ready. This is going to be the last video for quite some time. I'm not sure how long. Probably month to maybe 1 to 2 months probably. I'll tell you guys why. Over the past 2 years, we have put out, I don't know, over 400 videos on the channel. I just been crazy busy. We put over 20,000 miles of riding on Silverback and various other bikes throughout the country, doing all of the rallies, now Sturgis, Daytona, Gettysburg, Laconia, Ocean City, Maryland, Americade. We've been to Tennessee. We've been down to Georgia. So we have been all over the place. It just takes a lot of time away from my family. And I just need to kind of dial it back for a little bit, kind of regroup. I want to be able to put out the best content possible for you guys. And the only way for me to do that is to I'm not stepping back. I'm still going to be recording, producing, making a lot of videos, especially a lot of videos at Sturgis. We're going to have an amazing Sturgis series, whole bunch of episodes, probably about 20 just from Sturgis. But when we do come back, there's going to be a lot of new things. There's possibly going to be, definitely going to be at least 2 new bikes on the channel that are going to be on the channel for at least 2 to 3 years. We're going to change it up, how we do things on the channel. We're going to try to bring you the best content possible. So, the channel is growing, and I appreciate every single one of you guys. But I believe, like other motovloggers, like other content creators, I think I just been trying to put out too many videos, and kind of, even though you may think, and I appreciate it, you may think that some or all of them are good quality, but I want to put out the best quality videos possible, not necessarily pumping them out every other day. I want to be able to bring you the best quality possible, the best content possible on the channel. I want the channel to grow. I'm kind of right now in a plateau where it's growing, but not where it's growing as I would love to. And if I want to make the channel grow, as fast as possible, so this way I could give you guys even better content in the future, I have to kind of take a step back right now. I have to regroup. Like I said, I will be putting out the videos. I will be making the videos, but I'm going to take my time with them. And in a month, 2 months, when I come back online, I'm going to be sharing those videos with you guys. There's also huge news about the bike. And this is what let me go back to Sturgis. Monday, the 8th, I'm going to be at Chromeworks and Zero 3D, so come on by and say hi. Friday, I'm going to be doing a meet and greet at Harley Davidson, so stop by, say hello. This way, you'll be able to see Silverback. We're going to be there from the 6th to the 13th. We're going to be doing a lot of riding, not just at the rally. I'm going to spend probably a day at the rally. Otherwise, we're going to be out and riding. If we have to go into other states, we're going to go into other states. We're not just going to sit there in Sturgis and in Rapid City. We are going to be there doing a lot of filming, but I want to get out and explore the area, that beautiful part of the country, which I have never been to yet. Okay, so having said that, Silverback is for sale. If anybody is interested, and please do not email me asking me questions about what's been done. It's all in the video, so go and take a look. And if you guys are familiar, then you know that everything has been done to the bike. There still will be at least 30 videos on Silverback. Not now. When I come back, I'll be posting them about the audio system, about the Sturgis trip, and other stuff. So don't worry, there's still going to be a lot of content on her. But this has been already weeks, possibly months already. I've been thinking about this. What do I do when Silverback is completed? You know, this channel, basically we do, the main focus of this channel has been Silverback for 2 whole years. I purchased Silverback in 2020, August, and now it's 2022, August. It's been 2 years. It has taken 2 years to put this fantastic bike together. And the problem is, I have nothing really, nor would I want to do anything else to Silverback. There's nothing else that needs to be done. The engine, the drivetrain, the braking, the suspension, the paint job, the bars, the seat. I mean, on, and the list goes on and on and on. Probably, I don't know, $80,000 into the bike. That includes the bike price, right? So everything professionally done. Everything is mint, beautiful. If you guys are interested, only serious inquiries I'm going to respond to. If you email me, we could discuss it further. But the reason why, and again, this has not been a easy thing. This is not just, oh, boom, yeah, I'm going to sell it. No, this has been something I have been thinking about for weeks and possibly months, because I knew the time would come. And this is the problem, where I don't have any more content on the bike that I could do for you guys. I can't do another one of these huge builds without, basically, the channel's just not big enough. So that's why, if you subscribe and you guys watch more, and hopefully YouTube shares my content more, I'll be able to get bigger, and maybe in the future I'll be able to actually keep a lot of large ticket item bikes on the channel. But as far as now, you guys have to understand, smaller channels just can't keep very expensive builds like this and make another one. I also want to put a totally different, out of the box bike, motorcycle onto the channel to kind of try to grab a different genre, because honestly, this genre is really, really oversaturated. That is just the truth. Even though, you know, people tell me, and I know that, you know, me and several others are probably some of the larger Harley Davidson YouTube content creators out there, it's still really oversaturated. It just seems like every day you see somebody, you know, opening up a YouTube channel on performance baggers. So yeah, so that's basically what's going to happen. Hit me up in an email if you are interested, and again, only serious inquiries will be responded to. But having said that, there is a new bike that's already on order and is arriving in September for Cycle Fanatix YouTube channel, which will be on the channel for another 2 to 3 years. I'm not going to tell you what that bike is. It's going to be a bagger. It's going to be one of the 3, Road Glide, Street Glide, or Road King. And I will tell you now, it is definitely, without a doubt, going to be a performance bagger. And I could tell you unequivocally that it will be a much more performance bagger than even Silverback was. And I mean by every way. Weight savings, suspension, braking, engine, everything. The whole realm. Everything is going to be super focused on weight savings and the performance bagger genre. So basically that's what we're going to build next. All of the components, I could tell you now, I've already been researching. We've already ordered some components. Some supporters have already agreed to be on board. I'm just waiting on some other companies to get on board. And I should know when I come back kind of which parts are we going to be using, and we'll go over that, and I'll go over the bike that's going to be on the channel. But it is going to be something totally different. It's not going to be something that everybody is doing. We are going to be doing something out of the box, super, super high performance, bagger performance bike build. And I want to take you through that journey again. This has been a 2-year journey on Silverback. It has been absolutely amazing. I have no regrets, and I don't get attached to, even though I love the bike, don't get me wrong, the bike absolutely came out immaculate, and the engine and everything else. But I just, the only thing I get attached to, and I am attached to forever, is my family. And other than that, anything material, I just don't get attached to. But I do love the bike, don't get me wrong. It came out beautiful. But this is what I have to do for the channel to keep giving you guys great content. So you please be understanding of that. I can't keep the bike and not having any upgrades to do on the channel or show you guys. There is really, it would be hard for me to come up with content. Yes, you guys love the ride videos. They are not the #1 thing on the channel. The bike build has been #1. All the videos do the best. Whether it's me showing you the bike in my garage or me going over to JD Cycle Works, those videos do the best. We are still going to be doing ride videos. I want to also, like I said, implement another bike or two possible in a different genre, different category, to kind of trying to change it up a bit and bring in some new followers, some new subscribers to try to grow the channel. So I appreciate your guys' patience and understanding. Hopefully you guys understand this move. It's a business move. It's not, I can't, being that this channel, I want it potentially to grow to where I just hopefully do YouTube full time. And this is the route I have to take in order to do that. And once this bike is gone and the new one comes, we're going to be starting on that bike. And it is going to be, and I feel and I believe in an amazing journey, just like this one was. So you guys see what exhaust I use, what engine I use, what exhaust I use, what bars I use, the seat, so forth and so on. And we could go on another 2 to 3 year journey building that bike, helping you guys out, because that's what also I believe. It just wasn't for me to build a bike for myself. Through the 2 years in me making these videos and meeting hundreds, if not thousands of you guys at all these bike rallies and messaging and emails, it has truly shown me that, by me putting these videos out, showing you guys products that work, some that don't work, and almost every single one of you guys that I meet in person in the rally say, hey, if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have these bars. Or, hey, John, it was because of you that I'm using this. So that's what really makes me happy. And the ride videos, hey, I've been sick for a couple years. I had cancer, and if, oh man, those talks and those meetings with viewers and with subscribers are, let me tell you, that's what makes me do what I do. And if it wasn't for you guys, honestly, I wouldn't do it. Honestly, I wouldn't do it. And it makes me, when I meet people that say, hey John, I've been sick for a couple years and I haven't rode, but I just seen your Tennessee ride video, or I just seen your Laconia video, and you gave me the power, you gave me the energy to get on my motorcycle again. And let me tell you, it just fills my heart with love and happiness that you guys actually watch, and my videos actually have meaning to you guys. So that's it. That's enough. That's what's happening, guys. If you guys are interested in the bike, I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. But when I see you guys in the next month or two, I'll be bringing the Sturgis rally episodes to you guys. They're going to be fantastic. You're going to see the new bike, and you're going to hear my plans for the future of this channel. I think they're going to be awesome. I love every single one of you guys. Thanks for always coming out and saying hello to all these rallies, and just introducing yourself and coming, to say hi to me. That just means the world to me. Whew. And I just got to spend, I just taken a lot of time away from the family these past 2 years. Every summer, going to these rallies, going on these rides, they take a lot of time out. So like I said, I have to take a step back, not only to make the channel better, but to enjoy my family. I have a couple kids that are going away to college, 2 kids that are going away to college, and I have to send them off. So, it's been really busy. So anyway, if you guys are interested in Silverback, email down below, email me, and hopefully we could work out a deal. She's not going to be cheap. Peace out. Love you guys. See you guys soon.